Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to show y'all some of the best deals going on right now at Prime Day. Just a few of the ones that I would recommend that you check out. First, we're going to get started here with this DeWalt cordless drill and impact driver combo. You can see it's at 46%, $129. That's a great deal. If you're interested in DeWalt, again, they do some great jobs, and we have used these on multiple projects, and I know a lot of my friends that use these and absolutely love them. So this is something to definitely recommend. You can see again down 46%. So if you're interested in these, it comes with the impact and also the drill with 2 batteries and a charger. So that's a great option for that. So again, good price. You can check that out. Again, right now it's 46%. So I think that's a great one. Also, we have the DeWalt Toolbox. I think this is a good one as well. If you're interested in just a mobile toolbox, you can see right here. Mobile toolbox has a lot of space, a lot of storage. I think that's a great option for you. Again, down 61%. And that's what I'm trying to do, is just show you some of the best deals and some of the higher percentages off. But that's a great option for you. Again, DeWalt's a great brand. They're definitely going to do a good job. Then we have some just screwdriver drill bits and impact ready. Flex Torque 40 piece right here, 50% off. Again, these are great just to always keep on hand because you're going to be using stuff like this all the time. And just to have some in your pack, have some in your bag and in the truck and whatever that might be. Always great to have a few of these. 50% off, that's a great purchase. Next, we also have the multi-tool kit, oscillating tool, 6-speed, quick blade change right here. Again, 56%. So if you're in need of one of these, you can definitely grab this little multi-tool kit. Great option, has a lot of little cool features. So I think that's another great pickup for Prime Day. Again, good price for that one. Next, we have the Metabo compound miter saw. Again, 40%, kind of right in that good range that Prime Days. I'm looking for the 40%-ish stuff. 95 bucks for one of these. That is a great pickup. So I think you should pick up one of these. Again, I've actually never used this one, but I've heard this brand is really good. A lot of people use it. A lot of people like it. So you can check this out. Again, a lot of different great options here. So if you're in need of a table saw, 95 bucks. Kind of really hard to beat that. So great one, especially to kind of get you started. I think it's a great option for you. Next, we have just the DeWalt hammer drill. This is 3-speed tool only, but it is the hammer drill for $143. Again, 45% off. Solid option right there. DeWalt's a great option. Definitely going to do a good job for you. Not going to have to worry about that one, and I think it will definitely help you out a lot. Then we have more just drill bit sets. You can see these 100-piece, 55% off, 30 bucks. Great pickup for that. Again, a great thing you can check out. Always need these, multiple things just all over the place. You need some drill bits and other options like that. Then next we have the Bosch tool combo kit. You can see all these different ones. I think this is really cool. I haven't seen this yet with the Bosch option, but you can see all the different features it has and all the different options. So whatever you might need, this is the 5-in-1 system. I've seen this for Black & Decker, and I have a friend that has this. You can see right here, it has the multiple different options. So you have multiple different tools in one, really, which is really cool. So a lot of different cool things here, and even the multi-tool kit with it. I think this is great. So if you like Bosch and you're looking for that, 46% off, again, solid price, $134, and you get the 5-in-1 tool. So good pickup there. Then we have the skill option right here, the auto hammer. I was sent one of these and I reviewed it. I like this a lot. It's really cool. 42%, again, in that good range, 56 bucks. So great price right there. Skill makes great options, and so this is definitely going to be a great tool for you. Then we also have the DeWalt socket set. I actually love this socket set. I've used it multiple times and has worked really well. Again, 45%, $27. That's hard to beat that. So it really works really well. You can see right here. And DeWalt makes a great brand and makes a great tool. So you can see that it's really small, so you can slide that in like a backpack or toolbox or in your truck, whatever that might be. I think this is a great set to keep for yourself or even give as a gift. Then we have the tool organizer, again from DeWalt, 40% off right there at that. So 23 bucks. You can see all the things you can sit in here. So if you need some type of organizer, this is definitely a great option for you. Then we have Craftsman screwdrivers. Again, these are pretty solid set right here. 14 bucks, 50% off, which is nice. So if you need a screwdriver set, I think this is a great one to check out. Craftsman's a great option. I actually have multiple of these, and they work really well. I really like the little ones right here. We keep these inside, so when we're doing small little projects or having just to fix stuff around the house, they work really well because you can keep them in type of drawer or anything. But that's again 50% off is solid. Have another Bosch set right here, the 91 piece drill driver set right here. So if you need one of these, you can definitely check out some of these bits and stuff like that. So definitely a great one. Again, Bosch is a good brand, and 54%, hard to beat that. Then we also see the orbital sander, 5-inch here, 41%, pretty good deal, 49 bucks. It is the corded option, but again, I think it's a great option if you don't have a sander or need one of these. They're definitely going to be a good deal for you. Again, DeWalt's great, and it's going to work really hard for you and be solid. Then I just wanted to show you this. They have a lot of deals going on right now with Ring. This is just one of them, 35% off. Kind of a little bit lower than I was showing on the other ones, but still 150. But if you wanted to check out some of the older rings, you can also check those out, and they're on sale as well. But these are just some of the deals. So check out some ring deals. Then we have the Porter cable option right here, 6-tool combo kit, down 43%, 227. And you can see all these options. You got the 6-tool combo kit. You have the drills. You also have the multi-tool. You got a recip saw, and then also a circular saw, which is super nice. And so a lot of different options, a lot of different cool features here. So whatever you might need, definitely great thing. And we also have the work light right there as well. So you got all these cool options. Again, Porter cable. I haven't used Porter cable options, but I have heard some good stuff. So pretty good deals right there. Then we also have a brand I've never heard of, but it is the electric ratchet wrench, 42%, pretty good deal and pretty good price at 63 bucks. You can see what it comes with here, pretty good option. So if you're in need of some type of ratchet, this is a great one just to pick up. Again, 63 bucks, kind of hard to beat that, but has a bunch of different features on it, and down 42% for Prime Day. Then an item that I did just want to highlight, this is the 3M claw. So you can hang pictures with this, and I've done a video on that. You can see the hooks right there. Super easy, and it even holds up to 45 pounds. Some of them are different, 15, 25, 45. So that's really nice. It's only down 15%. Not a great pickup, but I did just want to highlight that. I think these are things you could keep in your house. You can see, again, super easy to hold up. That's really nice. So great thing to pick up there. We also have the Mossy Oak multi-tool, something I recommend everyone keep the multi-tool in your pack or your truck. 34% off, pretty good, kind of the lower end of what I was highlighting, but still good stuff. So if you want to keep this in your pack, whether you're working, taking it to the woods, or if you want to give it as a gift, I think it's a great option as well. Then we also have the Bosch 9-tool combo kit. You can check this one out. Has all of the different features, drills, lights, saws, even has a vacuum, a little blower, angle grinder. I mean, like everything that you'll need. So again, this is the Bosch deal. It's at right under 600 at 32% off. Again, a little lower than I was looking at, but again, I think it's a great deal. You can get everything you need right here with the Bosch tools. Then we also have the Greenworks push lawnmower. You got all of these great options right here. We've talked about this. We've seen this on sale at Walmart and in a couple of other places as well. 30% off. Again, solid deal right here for 200. So if you're in need of a lawnmower, I think this is a great option to go ahead and get you started. Also is the electric one, which is really cool. So you can check that out. But then we also have the pressure washer with 3 nozzles. So you can get all different ones. Again, I've never heard this brand, but it is 50% off, right at 100 bucks. Great price for that. So if you need one of these, pretty solid PSI right there, 21, 25. Going to do a pretty good job for you, but you can check this out. We also have a generator. I was trying to check out some of the generators as well. 52% off. I think that's a great one, especially with these solar panels. So if you're in need of some type of generator, you can check this one out. I have heard some good things about it. Again, I've never tried it. You can see right here, the by itself is at $479. So pretty good price for that as well. But you can check it out and see if you're interested. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you've ever used this brand. I have not, but I've heard some good things about it. But down 52%, I think it's a great pickup. Then we also have the Ego option right here, we have the cordless string trimmer down 28%. Again, not a great percent off, but it is a solid deal. And so if you're in need of a string trimmer, you can see this one for 43 bucks or 143. I know a lot of my friends that have started going to this brand and they've really liked it. So if you are in this brand or maybe you need this brand, you can check this deal out right here. Again, 143. And I think I have more options for some combo kits coming in just a minute. We also have the Traeger grill. I like these a lot. They work really well. And if you're into, again, smoking and pellet grills, these are one of the best. So you can check these out down to $7.59. So you can check it out and see if you might be interested in grabbing one of these. Again, it's only 24% off, but I still think it would do a good job for you. Then we also have the Seagull robotic pool cleaner. This is the one that I have in my house and we've used multiple times. We like it. It's only 20% off, but still $160 is a great price for that. I have a video on this and multiple other pool cleaners, so you can check those out. But I think this is a great option for you. And if you're interested in some type of pool cleaner, you can definitely go check out some of the options that are available right now. But I think this is a great one. Again, 20% off, solid deal for that. Then here is the little combo kit that I was talking about. You can see, again, down a little bit more for this, down 37% off. But if you are in the Ego brand or want to get in, this is a good time to grab that down right here, 150 bucks off. Has the blower and the string trimmer together, so you can get a lot of work done. So that's a great one. I have heard the batteries are solid on this. And so, again, check this out. Pretty good deals right there. We also have the tabletop pit boss option. I actually have this grill and we like it a lot. It has worked really well for us. It is the smaller option, but you can move this around and carry it around. You can kind of see right here the different sizes. You can use it in the camper, use it in the backyard, whatever you want to use it for. It's worked really well for us, and down 41% down to 176. I think it's a great pickup for that. Like I mentioned, it cooks well and it's great. We've cooked for it with we have a family of 5 and we have cooked on it and it has worked well for us. So I think it's a great option, especially if you're going to be taking it camping or moving it around a little bit. This is a great deal for you, so highly recommend that one. We also have the Weber wood fire pellet grill down 47%. So if you want to grab in to one of these pellet grills, Weber's a great brand and they're definitely going to do a good job for you. But you can see some options here down 40, almost 50%. I think that's a great option for you there. Then we also have the Komodo Joe. Kind of looking at this myself, I've heard these are pretty good compared to the Big Green Egg. And so you can check out this one right here. This is one of their, again, the junior option right here, the 13.5 inch, but down 43% here on Prime Day. So you can check that out. I think, again, that'll be a good option for you. Solid deal right there. So check that one out, Komodo Joe. Again, very similar to the Big Green Egg, but 43%. Then we also have the automatic lawnmower. I've been interested in an automatic lawnmower just to check it out, see how it goes in my yard. But this one's 40% down, or 40% off, excuse me. And I mean, $2,000, that is a little high, but that is really cool. And the people that I do know that have them say they absolutely love them. And so you can see if your land is 1.2 acres and you can, if you want to have your yard cut, ultra quiet mowing, you can check this out. Again, I have no experience. If you have that, let me know in the comments how you like yours. But 40% I think is a great pickup for that. We also have the Sunjoe electric pressure washer with hose reel. You can see this at 51% off. A great pickup. 172. Again, Sunjoe's solid. I've had one of their pressure washers, worked really well for me. This is the 3000 option, so that's pretty good right there. But if you're interested and need some type of pressure washer, you can check this one out. Again, I do think the PSI right here is the 2030 as well. But so check that one out. A bunch of good options right there. I like the little hose reel because that is super nice, because that's always something you're like having to reel up. So that's pretty cool. Then we also have the mini chainsaw. I actually did a review of this on my storefront and Amazon. It works really well. I like it. Down 38%, 50 bucks. Hard to beat that. That's a great deal if you're looking for any type of chainsaw. Then we also have the corded lawnmower, string trimmer, and edger. So you see the Black & Decker option here. I've actually looked into one of these. It has the lawnmower, then you can switch it out and get the trimmer and the edger on it. So that's a really cool option. So if maybe you have a small yard or something you just want to knock out, you can buy one of these and it works really well for both. Again, you can check this out. Black & Decker's a solid brand, but it's really cool because it will just be able to, you know, transform into the lawnmower back into all the other options right there. And 70 bucks, hard to beat that. Then we also have the portable power station. If you need one of these for camping or just outdoors, I think it's a great one. 59% off. Again, solid option right here. You got the power cells. I think that's a great deal for that. A lot of cool options right here. Again, you get to save 60% on that one. And then lastly, we have another portable power station at 50% off. Again, just a great thing to have, whether you're using it for camping or outdoor stuff or any kind of thing like that. I think it's a great option. But a lot of great deals going on, a lot of cool stuff on Prime Day, a lot of good stuff, like I mentioned, going. I really like these tool deals and like a lot of this kind of stuff going on right here. But I just wanted to show you some of the top deals that I found. I think there's going to be more deals that come around as the day goes, but these are some of the best deals that I was finding right now. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.